Guys, welcome to Paswan's blog. I am going to make a blog. You could see Ankush has purchased the kite for Agastya, Pius and Sia, and they are playing with the kite. You could see they have taken the kite in. You could see Pius is coming, taking the kite into his hand and going to say something to her, to his mother. Now Pius is going outside, taking the kite in his hand. So Pius is going, and now you could see Agastya is there. Agastya is also enjoying with the kite, and Sia is there. She is taking the kite in her hand. So now they are searching something. Bhura is also here. They are searching something. Hey, what are you searching? Oh, Patang has gone inside. Agastya has thrown his kite into the dust. Now Bhura is going to bring it back from the dust. It is a deep, I would say it is a deep, you could see. You see, it is a ditch. Now he has gone, and now he has brought out the kite, you could see. Now Agastya has gone running, and he has taken the kite into his hand, and he is saying something. You could see now Agastya is coming here, taking the kite into his hand. Now he is coming to me. He wants me. You could see Pius is also come. Now he has come to me and wants to watch. You could see Sia has come taking the kite into her hand. Pius has come taking kite in his hand. Okay, Sia is saying that that is my kite and help me for taking that kite. No, that is not your kite. Now you could see they are enjoying with the kite. Hey, Agastya, what are you doing with the kite? It will torn. Enjoying with the kite, you could see Sia is saying to her mother that tie the rope into the kite. Pius is also saying to his mother. Agastya has gone outside, taking the kite. Hey, why are you turning? Why are you turning? It will torn. Don't do like that. Agastya is really doing now. Agastya. Hey, Agastya, don't do like that. Now they are saying something to their mama. Pius and Sia are saying something to their mama. Now Sia is here. They are dancing. Sia is dancing, you could see. Agastya is also enjoying. And today weather is very good, pleasant since morning. It had been scorching heat, but now the weather is very good. You could see Pius is sitting on the bed, and Bhura is also sitting on the bed. Now Bhura is going outside, and Sia has also gone outside. Sia is there. Sia, what are you doing, Ray? Come here. Sia is enjoying with the kite. Now Agastya has come here. Agastya is also going outside. Hey, Agastya. Hey, don't do like that, Agastya. It will torn. The kite will torn. Now Pius has gone upstairs, so I am going to make my remaining blog on upstairs. I have taken the headphone into my hand. I am going. You could see glass is here. Hey, Agastya! So now I am going on upstairs to make the vlog. I have had the food. I had the food few minutes ago. Now Agastya also wants to come. Whenever I make vlog, Agastya wants to come because he wants to see making me vlog. So okay, I am going to hold to Agastya. He's coming on upstairs, taking the kite into his hand. You could see. Hey, Agastya! Sia is also coming on upstairs, taking the kite into his hand. Agastya, you will fall down. Fall down. You will fall down, baby. Fall down. Now I have to hold the hands of Agastya. Now Agastya is going. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give the kite. Let's go on upstairs. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. I have. Okay, let's go. Okay, don't scream. I have. Okay, let's go. I have taken. Piyush has taken his kite. That is why he is screaming. Hey Piyush, give his kite. He wants to take the kite. Give his kite. Piyush has taken his kite, so that's why he is screaming. Now I am going to help him taking the kite. Hey, give his kite. Sunju has mopped the floor here. Give his kite. Now he has taken the kite and now he is happy. Let's go downstairs.
Just doing what I did right now.
Okay. Agastya. Now Agastya is going downstairs. He will fall down. Let's go downstairs. So we are going downstairs. I'm going while making the vlog. It is hard, but Agastya is with me. No. You have got holiday from the school. Okay. Now you do not need to go to school. Okay, I am about to reach downstairs. Taking to Agastya. Let's go. Keep standing here, okay? So I am making the vlog. Now Agastya has come downstairs. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. Piyush and Sia are on upstairs. They are talking with Suju. So thank you guys for watching this vlog.